Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art. Today we're going to make this snowman. Let's begin. Insert, shapes, take a circle. Now what I'm going to do with it is go shape format, go into the format shape and then into the 3D format. And I'm going to give it a round bevel. And I'm just going to give it about 30 width. It'll change a little bit, but that's okay. And a height of about 30. Okay, here we go, 30. Now I'm going to go close this. I'm going to select it and go into shape format, shape fill, and I'm just going to pick one of these. I'm going to take the first white one here. Change this to fixed position so it's easier to move. Shape format, shape outline, take out the outline as well. So now we have something similar to that. You can also probably go back in here and make it a little bit more, I would say, wider. I just go like so, somewhere around there. Okay, perfect. Just so it matches that. Now I'm gonna go and copy this, paste it twice. Okay, so they're gonna become the next. Let's just go bring this forward. Okay, good. I'm just gonna shift and then left click to select all of them. So it's gonna move it here so I can work with them a little bit better. Okay, what's the next thing we need? We're gonna give him a nose, him or her a nose. So just go insert shapes and I'm gonna select the triangle like so. And you can hear the snow falling outside, I think. It's hitting the windows. I think it's freezing rain. Shape format, shape fill, make it orange. And I'm gonna say shape format and then shape effects and then bevel, just make it round. Okay, you can change the width if you want after, but just to make it quicker, I'm gonna do it that way. I'll go insert shapes. I'm gonna give him an eye or her an eye. Shape format, black, and then put that here. Maybe just a little bit like that. Let's see, like so. Now for the stick hand, very easy. Insert shapes. That's going to be the main part. And you can blend it in how you want, but for now I'm just going to create it on top. Shape format, shape fill, take the brown, then shape effects, bevel. Just going to select the second one. Okay. Now two fingers or make up the hand. I'm just going to go insert and I'm going to find this shape here, diagonal stripe. Okay, and I'm just gonna shape fill, brown, probably give it a shape effect, bevel, same thing. And then maybe just a little bit wider. Copy it, paste it, like so. It's going to be the bottom one. This one we just invert it like so, I believe, or we did not. We just rotated it. Let's go like that. Goes like this. This one is a bit longer. Just say like that. It's not exactly how that one is, but close enough. Okay, so we're just gonna shorten this. Add it here. This one I'm gonna send to back. Right click, send to back. Like that. Now let's make the top hat. Insert shapes. And it's this shape here. Shape fill black. You can also change it there. I'm going to go here, insert shapes. Take this one, rectangle. Shape format, black. Just gonna kind of match it up. Okay, something along those lines. And I'm going to go insert shapes. And by the way, that shape was called the trapezoid, the first one. This, I'm going to take another rectangle, shape format, shape fill, no fill. Actually, just make it white, I guess. Shape outline, black. Move it here, shorten it. This has to be brought down a little bit. Make this one wider. Bring it down. Close enough. I'm just going to take all three. Bring it down more on his head. Like that. And then there's a glow for everything. So I'm going to go home, tab, and select objects. Shape format, group, everything first. Then I'm going to go fix position, shape format, shape effects, glow, and I'm not sure, I think it was this one here, the gray glow. Okay, so I'm just gonna move him over, make him like that, smaller shape. So move down. Now I'm just gonna make a background, insert shapes, rectangle. Okay. Right click, send to back. Shape format, fill. Just choose that blue, navy blue. Then I'm gonna go format, shape, fill, gradient. And it didn't keep the color I wanted, but that's okay. What can you do? This should be that. Okay, change that. Make it darker. Could actually have black there as well. Let's put some black. Maybe a little bit of black, not too much. Higher up, like that. Maybe a little bit back more. Okay. This one, probably lighter. We want to give it like a snow effect at the bottom here. Okay. Maybe like that. And then I'm just going to go, let's just say that fixed position. I'm going to go draw and choose my marker here. And I'm going to choose this sparkly white, whatever that's called, silver. And I'm going to make it larger. Just going to put some snowflakes here. And maybe even larger than that. And then I'm going to choose the white color and put some small ones. Maybe that's a little too small, but I can change it in a second. Let's go change that to this one. I don't know what number that is. A little bit better. And then finally, just so we have some silver and fairly large just down here, like that. And so I think that should do it. You can go select everything, select all objects, because even those things are objects. And you have to find the corner here. Oops. Let me try from here. Let's go home, select objects, and then you select everything. Gets highlighted and you go shape format and then group everything. And then you've got one, and then just say fixed position. And you should have one picture. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas.